Okay, good night. Cordial reading. State proper technology negotiation for Ana Maria Perez Ruiz. Continue. Definition of how to protect software intellectual property. It should be noted that technically the legal protection of software is not carried out through the processing of an invention or productivity model patent. In Colombia, the legal protection of software is done through the passage of the software before the National Directorate of Copyright. Continue value method used to establish the price and the reason of the selection. Reasons. This approach allows us to assess the technology in the most precise way, since it considers operational variables such as market size, price, cost, structure, and risk. Letter general condition of the licensing and the negotiation. The software company Colombia CA warrants a solution on the patent that it might modify and distribute the licensed software product that in a final version it will include software company. The license will be able to ensure more efficient and easier access to markets that it had tried to achieve it on its own. The licensee will benefit from superior technology, allowing it to offer better quality products or reduce the cost and improve efficiency. Finally, conclusion. Preparing for a technology negotiation is important because instead parties decide their expectations for the deal and determine the minimum terms they are willing to accept before negotiating.